Hello, this is Benjamin from National Camera Exchange. In this Lightroom tutorial, we're going to take a look at the export module, sort of the way out of our Lightroom catalog to the rest of the world. We're going to go to an image. Right now I have this wolf pup image selected. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to send one photo out of Lightroom. But if I wanted, I could actually select multiple images. I could do the shift click down here and grab a group of them. I could go into the grid view and sort of choose just one, or I could command click to grab a couple more. But we'll just go to the one image here at the end. I can find my option to open up the export panel here at the bottom left. Here it is. The first option is export to. This is where I want to send the photo. Right now it's set to go to my hard drive. That's most commonly probably where you're going to send the file. Export location is this first little option. And here we have a few options. Which folder I want it to go to. I can also choose the folder later, or the same folder that the image is kept in originally from our import process. I'm going to choose a specific folder. Underneath this I have the ability to choose where that folder is, or I could even create a new folder. Right now I'm on my desktop. If I'd like, I could go ahead and make a new wolf pup folder that'll occur on my desktop. Choose that, and we can make subfolders. I'm going to close that down. That's all I want in there. I'm going to go to my file naming. File naming is a chance to kind of name the file. We might not want to use the same structure we have in our Lightroom library. This could be an image maybe for a client, so I could give them a name that's more meaningful for them. So here's the option up here. I can choose the original file name, the date, or I'm going to do a custom name. Grab that, and I can actually type in the text here. We'll do wolf pup. And if I did have multiple images selected, the start number for the first image in my selection could be 1, and it would just sort of go down the line, making it wolf pup 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. After that, I'm going to close down this and go to my file settings. And this is interesting. We actually want to think about what we're going to do with this image. You know, if this is just going to go onto the internet, it might not need to be a huge file, or maybe we're sharing this image as a proof with a client, so it doesn't need to be something that's really print quality. But right now I want to get the kind of best quality print ready image I can. It might be viewed on the web as well, so I'm going to go ahead and dial up the quality here to 100%. It's a JPEG, and color space is sRGB. That's a good one to keep it in if it might be on the internet at some point. I'm going to close down my file settings, and the last option we're going to turn our attention to is output sharpening. This is kind of the second pass of sharpening within Lightroom. Right now I might know that this is going to go on a website for a client, so I might choose screen here. However, if this were going to be printed and I already knew in advance which surface I was going to print it on, matte paper or glossy paper, I would choose those accordingly. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and that's everything I need to worry about right now. There are some other options in here like watermarking, things like that. We can go into that in a later tutorial. Right now I'm going to export that one image. Look up here, we've got a little dialog. There it's sending my wolf pup image out. And if I escape out of Lightroom here, I should have my wolf pup image exported right here. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials, and feel free to let us know what other tutorials you'd like to see in the comments below this video. I'm Benjamin with National Camera Exchange.